Easiest way to make your Efo Riro. Hello sweet fingers lovers, it's your favorite girl again, Chef Basse, and on today's episode, I'll be teaching you the easiest way to make your Efo Riro. In your boiling water, you go in with your potash, also known as Kaun. Then you go in with your Efo. Make sure it's soft, and then you rinse and keep aside. Time for us to make our sauce. In another pot, you go in with your red oil, you go in with your pepper mix, you go in with your locust beans known as Iro, then you go in with your cow skin and your fish, and then you mix together. Do not forget to add your crayfish, your seasoning cube, and a little bit of salt. Make sure it is properly simmered together. Then you go in with your efo. Then this is what you have. Time for us to make our omiyobe. In another pot, you go in with your red oil, your smooth pepper mix, then any protein of your choice. But for me, I'm using offals and goat's meat. Then you go in with your bay leaf, your seasoning cube, and a little bit of salt. You make sure it is properly mixed together and well cooked. Time for us to serve. I serve mine with semo, and also you can serve this with rice. Let me know what you think about this, and would you be trying this recipe in the comment. Do not forget to subscribe, do not forget to share. I'll be seeing you in the next video. Thank you.